my desk setup is something that I have talked about a lot. We have gone over this desk behind me. That is my work desk. It is my work from home desk. It has everything that I need for my job, but we don't talk much about my gaming desk. So today we're just gonna go over my PC, the different technology and gadgets I have on my desk, as well as the desk itself. Of course, I have my wonderful gaming chair that we use for both desks, so I'm not gonna go over that. But I'm going to put everything in the description below because if you've noticed, or you will notice, I'm going to forget a lot of names and I'm going to apologize in advance. If you have any questions about my desk or my setup, please leave them down below. I am happy to answer, and I will have a few updates to my desk as well as my work office that I'm going to be posting in future videos. But for now, let me show you what my desk looks like. And again, I apologize for the terrible lighting. We just had a storm when I would have had great lighting, and my office still needs new lights. So let's first talk about my PC. I will put the specs onto the screen because I have absolutely no idea. I have not done much to this PC. The only thing I've done is added that very colorful RAM in the background, as well as this Pokemon, because Glaceon forever. If you do not like evolutions, I apologize. But if you do, what is your favorite evolution? Now, to my PC, I do have this little adapter because I have so many USBs that I have to plug in with my mic, and this is my mouse. But I have so many things that I do have to get, or I did have to get this extension. It does have my wireless headset connected, which is the Logic something. I will put that on the screen as well. We'll see that in a second. And of course, it is connected to my mic, which is on this wonderful arm, and this is the JLabs Talk Go, which is about $40, and this is what I use for streaming as well as many other things. Of course, I have the little pop filter. It also connects this, which I have talked about it before, but this is where I record sometimes. I'll just put my phone here, hook this up into my PC, or if you did not notice, I have mini surge cables. Don't look at my feet, I apologize. Mini surge cables where I plug in all of my stuff, and that is one of the ways that I can just use it for recording. I find this angle easy. You do see my burn and stuff in the background, but that's for another time. Genshin's trying to load. No Genshin. So I do have 3 monitors on this PC setup, and they are all, I believe, 24 inches. They are LGs, and if I can find the exact, I will also put that down in the description or the bar below, whatever. For my mouse, I have the Logitech Hero, something like that. I'm doing really bad at this. It is the G502 Hero, and I got this because I play Valorant. This little mat right here is teal, much like all my other stuff, and I got this on Amazon for about $13. It is stained, much like my desk, but we don't talk about that. I do have my tarot and oracle cards here because occasionally I do readings on stream. Why not? And here is the Logitech G733. It does have a little mic that you can connect, but I just use my Talk Go. And then I have my controller, which is also teal, whoop-de-doo, as many things in my room. And next to it, I have my Samsung watch. I just charge it on my desk here because I normally sit here all day anyway. So, up here, it is dusty and I did not want to clean it because I'm really lazy. We have a little bit of my collection of not allowed toys. We're not going to go over those because I do not want to get banned. And of course, I have these 2 containers on both sides, and these are just like throwaway things like batteries. I have a fidget toy. Do not know I have a deodorant. A lot of my LED remotes are in here because I have LEDs all over my room, as well as some spare screws, some tape, and random things. I also have this little razor that I got from Ross for about $5, and here I have my sunglasses. This is all the jewelry. Occasionally I'll take my jewelry off and leave it here, but I also have my full set of dice because we do play D&D occasionally, and whoop-de-doo, this is also a light blue, teal, whichever you'd like to call it. My wonderful keyboard here is a Red Dragon. I will also put this down, but I have pudding caps, oops, for some of them, and then the other ones are just the ones that it comes with. And again, they are teal. Over here, I just have a packet of White Rabbit because I keep a lot of candy on this desk because I snack a lot. And this desk does have a lot of storage space, so if you notice, it is very large. And though I do have my PC on this side, I just have a bunch of incense in that little, incense on that little container there. And this, of course, is one of my Squishmallows. And on the second shelf, I don't have much. I have a ring light. I'm trying not to like flash you guys, but I have this little broken whale creature. I have a crown, a calculator, a glue stick. My Cricut is facing the other direction, I believe, so I occasionally use that. This is a Glad air thing, not Glad, an Airwick air freshener, which I keep on my desk. And then I actually put both shelves, oh look, it's me. I put both shelves on this side because if you guys do not know, I have it in an L shape with my other work desk. So on here, I just have my washi tape collection, which is in this clear glass container from Michaels. And up here, I just have stuff like staples, paper clips, and other things. This is also from Michaels, and of course, it's also teal. Down here though, we have candy, Copicos, because I love them. These are the cappuccino flavors. And then we have gum, because gum, if I could show you. Gum. And a random Nerf thing. My desk was from IKEA. It's the, also gonna put on the screen, but it was about $300 and it is absolutely amazing. It does have these little knobs here that you can use for your headset, but I enjoyed this one, which if I didn't mention, it's from Five Below. It's part of their Bugga, that one Fortnite player, his collection. The lights aren't on because I didn't plug it in. I also have a camera, of course. That's the Depths Tech. I will put that also. If you have not realized, everything is going to be in the description box. Now, the desk that I use from IKEA is rarely ever in stock. It said it was out of stock when I went to go get it, but then I went and it was in the actual aisle, so I grabbed it, I ran, and I've had this desk forever. I absolutely love it. If you guys know, my other desk is from Big Lots. It's like $200 to $300, so about the same price, but this one is from IKEA's gaming line, and I have found that it works perfectly. The only issue is I do have three 24-inch monitors without any arms, and they are a little tight, so if I drop something, everything will come tumbling down. Other than that, it's pretty adjustable with those little shelves on the side. As you saw, I keep them all to one side because I have a little opening, but it is really great for what I use it for. I know it won't work for everyone, and honestly, I don't think I'll be upgrading, but if I find something, maybe I will. I will be going over my entire office layout eventually because this is just one corner of my office, and I will start showing you guys as I buy more stuff for my office because I am a hoarder and I like upgrading often and a lot. Though this isn't really a minimal look, I do believe that there are a lot more extensive things that I could do to it, and this is my bare minimum. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully this helped you with your gaming or office setup. And if you have any questions, like I said, down in the description box below. If you want more content like this, please subscribe. And remember, I am not a professional, maybe in IKEA furniture, but I am a middle child. Love you.